Hi, my name is Chidi, and I would like to share with you how my experience volunteering with the STA has helped me gain useful skills that have come in handy on projects that I've been working on. Over the past few months, I've learned about accessibility in web design, how to run discovery workshops, and also how to write large language model prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT. I'm particularly excited about writing large language model prompts. That's a bit of a mouthful, but yes, LLMs. So these have come in useful for me when I was working on this project with a charity who was looking to change their CRM system because they felt that the current system didn't meet all their business needs. So writing good prompts helped me generate a business process map for them. And with that map, they could see clearly all the different aspects of their business that they needed to be captured on the CRM system. And working closely with them, we're able to identify ways to customize their current system to meet the needs that they had at these different phases of their business. In the end, they didn't have to spend any extra money or time investing in a new CRM system because the old one could do exactly what they wanted, thanks to ChatGPT prompts.